How to remove a payment method on DoorDash? Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application DoorDash. Once you're in the home page, enter your login credential and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Once you're in the home page, now tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. You can see the option of payment method. Click on it. So in this page, any of the payment method that you have entered will be available to you. If you want to delete or remove it, all you gotta do is swipe left the card or the payment method that you have entered. You will get to see the delete icon. Click on it and then tap on confirm. After that, your payment method or payment card will be deleted or removed successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.